What's up guys, and welcome back to our channel. In today's video we are gonna talk about how to find BSB number in Commonwealth Bank, so make sure to stay until the end of the video. But before we move on, it would mean a lot if you subscribe to our channel and hit that notification bell so you make sure to stay alerted whenever we post another awesome tutorial. So guys, how to find a BSB number. So first of all, what is BSB number and where to find it? So let's just type in where to find BSB. So find BSB number. As you can see here, we're gonna go through this article. So what is a BSB number? So a BSB or bank state branch is a 6-digit number that identifies banks and branches across Australia. You can use your locator tool to find the BSB of a specific branch. Just type in the branch location, then click on the branch you need for BSB. So as you can see over here, they are working to fix the problem, so we cannot watch this. So you can get, if you got the BSB but need to the branch details, type in BSB into their locator tool instead, and you can also see the BSB number of each of your accounts in NetBank. So when you want to transfer money to someone, you'll need the recipient's BSB as well as their account number, and you'll need to give your BSB account number to anyone transferring money to you. So you can also, as you can see, make payment to your mobile and collect payment in CommBank app. So guys, overall, the BSB number is basically a 6-digit number that identifies banks and branches across all of Australia. So you need to have that number. You need to use their locator tool to find the BSB of a specific branch, and basically the rest of the process is easy, as I told you. So guys, CommBank, amazing application. As you can see, earn up to 80,000 CommBank awards points for 40,000 Cantus points. So there are loads of programs, loads of accounts, so guys, make sure to check this amazing app out. And if you need any help, type down in the comments, we're gonna do a tutorial for it. Thank you for watching, goodbye.